Hi, it's Deb and Ro from Century 21 Redwood with the McLaughlin Summer Team here with another pro tip. Today we're talking about Zestimate.
So what exactly is a Zestimate? A Zestimate is based on an algorithm that Zillow uses. What they do is they gather information from property owners and real estate professionals, and the accuracy of the Zestimate depends on how much data they can collect in a particular area. It's a great tool, but we strongly suggest that you use a real estate professional to get a more accurate estimate of your home's value.
Because you have to remember that Zillow does not come inside your home. They can't see all the updates. They can't see the unique features that your home has. They can't see that wonderful thing that made you buy your home, which is what a real estate professional highlights for you. So even though it may be a good tool to use to get an idea of the value of your home, it's always important to ask a professional and talk to your realtor like Deb and I. Tune in next week for another pro tip.